Okay, so today we will check how to do interrogative sentences, yeah? Or also known as questions. So let me put here in big, it's not writing that well, but here. Questions, and questions in the grammar tense. Simple present. So what do we have to take into account on how to elaborate questions? We need to be attentive if we are using the verb to be or other verbs. So today we're going to concentrate not in the verb to be, but in other verbs. So let me put here other verbs. So when we are like doing this, we would have the first option and a second option. We have the do as an auxiliary verb, and we have the does also as an auxiliary verb. This is the element number 1. This is the element number 1. What's the difference? We use this with es when we want to elaborate sentences with either she or he or it. And for the other pronouns, we use do. So for do, we use I, we use you, and the other you, the you that it's singular, and the you that it's plural, and then we use we, and we also use with they. And we have, for example, do, then the pronoun, do they walk? And the closure or the interrogative mark, just the closing one. So you have to be attentive that we have these two elements, yeah? So it's 1 plus 2. So let me put it like this. And this is called an auxiliary verb, while this is the main or principal verb. Let me write it complete. So, do they walk? Yes, they walk. Or no, they don't walk. Thus, let's put a name, right? Or let's do it like also with the personal pronoun he, for example. Does he sleep? So, for the answer of this, does he sleep? Yes, he does. Or he sleeps. So for the affirmatives, we have to add the s, right? But in the interrogative, the s is included in the auxiliary verb. And that's it.